So we'll do generator operation first. Pay attention to the current meter and the power going to the prime mover. So now we'll demonstrate ReGen-X Quantum Motor operation or kinetic energy increase with no additional input energy being added to the system. So there you have it. The ReGen-X generator generates electricity with zero prime mover input energy consumption above what is required to establish no load at rotational equilibrium. And the ReGen-X Quantum Motor performs positive work at infinite efficiency with zero externally supplied input energy. And it reduces the consumption of the prime mover, and it adds torque and mechanical power to the drive shaft of the prime mover. So when this technology is integrated into an electric motorcycle, it allows the electric motorcycle or the internal combustion engine vehicle to be propelled by harnessing created electromagnetic field energy, and basically for EVs to recharge themselves completely as they drive, and for internal combustion engine vehicles to reduce and or eliminate their fuel consumption at highway speeds. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Cheers for now.